You have money to invest in dividend paying stocks, but you are not sure in which stocks to invest in. Don't worry, here in this video we'll pick the highest dividend paying stocks in India. These stocks are evaluated based on their fundamentals and financials. Now that's obvious that the companies with strong fundamentals will have more dividend yields. For instance, if a company's share price say trades at 100 rupees and it pays an annual dividend of 5 rupees per share, its dividend yield turns out to be 5%, which is 5 divided by 100. Hence, dividend yield is the proper metric to judge dividend paying stocks, as it tells us about the return that we can earn on our investments solely from dividends. Now, capital appreciation in the company stock can also further add to our returns. To start off, the list of top 5 highest dividend paying stocks in India, starting with number 1 is Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited is mainly engaged in mining and production of coal and also operates coal washeries. The major consumers of the company are power and steel sectors. Consumers from other sectors include cement, fertilizers, brick kilns, etc. The current stock price of Coal India is 231.05 rupees, which is up by 47.45% since 1 year. The company's dividend yield at its current market price is 7.26%, meaning if you invest 1000 rupees in Coal India, it is expected to generate 72.5 rupees dividend each year. It has PE ratio of 8.32%. If you don't know what exactly why we consider PE ratio, I recommend you check out the video in I button first and come back and watch this video. Okay, so moving with PB ratio of 3.29%, a dividend yield of 7.26% and a market capitalization of 1,42,000 crores. Second company on the list is Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL. Indian Oil Corporation Limited is a Maharatna company controlled by GOI that has business interest towards the entire hydrocarbon value chain, from refining, pipeline transportation and marketing of petroleum products to R&D, exploration and production, marketing of natural gas and petrochemicals. It has a leadership position in oil refining and petroleum marketing sector of India. The current stock price of IOCL is trading at 71.10 rupees, which is down by 9.24% since 1 year. The company's dividend yield at its current market price is 11.45%.
भाई मजा आया.
If you invest 1000 rupees, it is expected to generate 114.49 dividend each year. It has PE ratio of 4.03%, PB ratio of 0.75%, dividend yield of 11.45% and a market capitalization of 1,01,000 crore. Third company on the list is Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, RECL. Rural Electrification Corporation Limited is engaged in extending financial assistance across the power sector value chain and is systematically important NBFC, which is Non-Banking Finance Corporation, registered with RBI as an infrastructure finance company, which is IFC. The current stock price of RECL is trading at 104 rupees, which is down by 11.6% since 1 year. The company's dividend yield at its current stock price is 10.78%, meaning an investment of 1000 rupees would generate an expected return of 107.85 dividend rupees each year. The stock has a PE ratio of 2.79, PB ratio of 0.55, dividend yield of 10.78 and market capitalization of say 28,000 crores. Fourth company on the list is Power Finance Corporation Limited. Power Finance Corporation Limited is a Government of India undertaking and is engaged in business of extending financial assistance to power sector and is a systematically important non-deposit taking non-banking financial company, which is NBFC, registered with RBI as an infrastructure finance company. The current stock price of Power Finance is 113.90, which is 17% down since 1 year. The company's dividend yield at its current stock price is 10.12%, meaning an investment of 1000 rupees would expect a dividend of 101.2 rupees each year. The stock has a PE ratio of 2.23, PB ratio of 0.33, dividend yield of 10.12 and a market capitalization of 31,298 crores. Fifth company on the list is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited is engaged in business of refining crude oil and marketing of petroleum products, production of hydrocarbon as well as providing services to management of engineering and procurement blocks. The company has about 16,500 retail outlets. The current stock price is 228 0.80, which is down 15.74% since 1 year. The company's dividend yield at its current market price is 5.88%, meaning an investment of say 1000 rupees in HPCL is expected to generate a dividend of 58.78 rupees each year. The stock has PE ratio of 4.64, PB ratio of 0.82 and a dividend yield of 5.88 and a market capitalization of 33,000 crores. Now listed above are some of the highest dividend yield stocks in India. By now you have understood that a 5% dividend yield means that you can recover 5% of your invested capital solely by receiving dividends from the company. So investors can consider these stocks if they want to receive a high dividend income. If you want to invest in these dividend paying stocks, you need to open a demat account from the best trading app in India. Link of Zerodha, which will be in description below, you can check it out. All the stocks which are stated have same takeaways from it, as all of them are trading at less than its intrinsic value. They have generated more returns than a fixed deposit in bank. All the stocks are offering a good dividend return and entry time is good in as it is not in overbought zone. Now here's a bonus takeaway. To ask in which stock pays dividends monthly. There are few stocks that pay dividends monthly also, like LTC Properties, Prem Bina Pipeline, Realty Income and SL Green. And when does the company stop paying dividends? You might have the question. Sometimes due to some bad scenario, companies might face a lot of financial issues, and if the company is going under the loss stage, then the company will stop paying dividends. Hope this video gave you an insight of how you can get dividends with top quality stocks. If you did, hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button. Like always, have a great Sunday and rest of the week. Until then, my name is Vishal. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next Sunday. Hope you.